So first things first, then I want to talk about climate change and the new Law Society climate change guidance. Can you just put in the chat whether you've actually seen it and read it and whether your firm's done anything about it? So if you could just type in the chat box there whether you've seen it and whether you've looked at it, that would be useful. But it was issued on the 19th of April 2023, and I've been speaking at a lot of conferences and face-to-face events over the last few weeks since it was launched, and most practitioners either are not aware of it or they haven't read it, and that's a bit disconcerting, to be honest with you, because I think it's quite important. Louise, thank you. You're typing something. I'll just wait to see what you've got to say, and then I'll progress if I can. While I'm waiting for Louise, the guidance really follows an opinion provided by a barrister called Stephen Truman KC. Stephen's a great guy. I've done some webinars with him in the past. Really smashing fellow, really clever guy. But he's produced an opinion. I think it was for Groundshaw. You can have a look at it if you go on Groundshaw's website. And he suggested that you should be telling clients about the fact that a climate change report can be obtained. Some people think he's saying that you're negligent if you fail to tell your client to get one. Well, he's not saying that. He's just saying you need to draw it to your client's attention. Stephen wasn't the sort of first person to spot this. There was something called the Chancery Lane Project, which has a series of clauses called Marnie clauses. And I don't know if you've seen those, but it sort of provides some useful information as to what you should include when you're scoping your retainer and reporting on title in connection with climate change issues. And again, I think it's Groundshaw that has copies of the wording of Marnie clauses on their website. I think Landmark do something similar. So you've got to tell clients, I think, that they can have a climate change report. I think that's what I'm extracting from the Law Society guidance. The Law Society guidance on the 19th of April is general guidance. It's important to understand and appreciate the Law Society has said that they were producing specific guidance for specific areas of practice in due course. So do watch out for that.